Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomify, and today we're looking at the Mi Smart Air Fryer.
Finally, a Xiaomi Air Fryer. But is it any good? Well, let's find out. Let's go. There we go. In the box, you'll find a little metal stand, some instructions, and the air fryer itself with a hardwired power cable. That's about it. The air fryer is 33.5 by 25.5 by 30 centimeters in size and weighs in at about 3.9 kilograms. Its rated power is 1500 watts and it connects using Bluetooth 4.1 and it connects over Wi-Fi, which allows you to set it up with the Mi Home app. The one I have here is the global version. That one came with a European type plug. On the back, it's got its air outlet, so the warm air can escape through the backside of the device. And on the front, it's got its tray with a 3.5 liter capacity and a single function button with an OLED display which you can use to manually set the cooking program. It's pre-programmed with a bunch of different settings for cooking chicken wings or to dry fruit or make yogurt, but you can also set a manual program from the dial. You can also do all of this from the Mi Home app, where it does also allow you to save your own programs. Setting it up with the Mi Home app is pretty much like we're used to. Just plug in the air fryer, and from the Mi Home app, it should already show as a nearby uninstalled device, or you can find it in the list if needed. Once it's connected to your Wi-Fi network, you can use the app to control the air fryer, set up programs or save custom programs, and also schedule its cooking programs for later. The air fryer can be set up for low temperatures with a slower fan speed to dry fruit or to make yogurt over a longer period of time, and it can be set to higher temperatures of up to 200 degrees to cook things in a shorter period of time, which will use a higher fan speed. So, how is this air fryer in use? Well, I've been using it a lot to defrost and bake up some buns, and I've been using it to cook up some chicken wings, and I really love how fast this thing is to cook up all of this. It just takes 4 minutes to bake up those buns. It takes 15 minutes to cook up those chicken wings. It's really convenient. But I've also tried it out with the guys from Zikoland and asked them what they think to make some super sweet chicken strips. For that, we take about 500 grams of chicken breast. We cut those into strips. We put the chicken strips in some flour, add some seasoning, and add some breadcrumbs to make them crispy. Rinse and repeat to prepare all the strips. Then we've just got to put them in the tray of the air fryer and they're ready to go. On the air fryer, we can set it up to 15 or 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Halfway the cooking process, it will alert you to flip them over or to shake the tray. And when doing 2 layers of chicken, it's best to take about 25 minutes and halfway swap the chicken in the bottom and on the tray to get both of them more crispy. And the air fryer will actually beep to alert you halfway to flip them over. And you will end up having some great looking, great tasting chicken strips. The air fryer's tray is also big enough for most of the small dishes that I've tried. It's not huge, but I haven't had any problems with it thus far. The bottom plate in the basket is slightly elevated, allowing hot air to go below, and it will let through the leaking oil. I also really loved how it's super easy to clean. You can take out that bottom plate, which fits in there super snug, and it's got some rubber protection around that, which makes it feel very nice when you put it back in. And the whole thing is washable in the dishwasher, which is great. Then how about automation rules? Well, you can also use the air fryer as a starting condition for smart home automation. You can select the turnover notification when a program is starting and when a program is completed as the starting condition for your automation rules. This could be quite handy as the beeping sound is not too loud, so I can select the starting condition to be the turnover notification. So that's the moment that I kind of have to flip the chicken inside or to shake it when I'm doing fries. I can select as a result that I want to change a light color or have a light blink in my living room. Or I could use one of the smart home hubs to play a certain sound when I have to flip it over, for example. Additionally, you can use the cancel cooking program as a den dis, meaning that you could assign a switch to turn off the air fryer. I'm not sure how many people will use this though, but it's there. So after using this air fryer for about 2 months now, what do I think? Well, first of all, I never had an air fryer before, so I have nothing to compare it with. But thus far, I am really loving it, and I have used it a lot more frequently than I ever thought I would. First, I like how it looks. I like its size. It's super convenient to quickly grab it. I like how I can easily set up the temperature and the time, either with the function knob on the front or in the Mi Home app. I like how fast it is to cook something in it. Just to have raw chicken wings cooked well in 15 minutes is just great. I also like how it's really easy to clean. I like how it's dishwasher friendly. I also like that the temperature range is from 40 to 200 degrees, which makes it super versatile in use and very usable for a whole range of purposes. It does not have that many accessories, so it would have been nice to maybe see a little bit more, but it does come with that elevated grill though. I did have some problems with the tray or the basket in the beginning, as it needs to go in straight. I definitely had some trouble to get that in correctly the first few days, but once you get used to that, it's actually not that bad. But I did find that is something to get used to a little bit, and that's pretty much the only somewhat negative thing that I could find. Overall, I am really happy with the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer, which is pretty much a really small oven that heats up incredibly fast. I wouldn't even be able to preheat my oven in the time it takes for this thing to cook, but like I said, as this is my first air fryer, I don't have anything to compare it with, but I felt like I've been totally missing out in the air fryer game. The Xiaomi Air Fryer is coming out for the global market this week, and it should go for around 99 euros. The price might vary slightly per country, but I do think that it's quite a competitive price. What do you guys think? Is this something that you want to go and pick up or not? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below this video, and don't forget to leave a little like below this video to show me that you liked it. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, know that you probably should, because I'm doing a lot of videos about Xiaomi and the Xiaomi ecosystem right here on the Xiaomify channel. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see y'all soon. Peace!